Well, hello. Today we have this Seitz Watchmaker jewel press 4mm. So yeah, I'm going to show the condition of this piece. It's a nice condition. It has some signs of marks, but overall in good condition. And then you can adjust this as well. It is having the pen as well, which belongs over here. Let's some more light over here. Overall in pretty good condition. Let me get it sharp for you. It comes in the original Seitz box. So yeah, I hope that somebody can use this jewel press. And yeah, thank you all for watching.